first bike ride.
No training wheels for Gavin.
No. I don't need any twins. Because this one is easier.
Okay, let me help. All right, pedal.
You can come all the way to mommy over here. And then turn around. Now turn around slowly when you're ready.
Very good, Gav.
You want to turn around and go towards all.
Just hold the seat.
Tell me when to pedal, okay?
Pedal
Mama?
now. Pedal, honey. Okay, I'm letting go, Gav. That's it, baby.
I'm bouncing.
Literally 5 minutes after getting on it. You did it!
Isn't that cool?
Yes!
You gotta hold it back.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna get you going. Then you pedal.
Look at you.
Like a pro!
Nice turn.
Dad doesn't have to push me.
You are incredible.
I learned how to balance on this bike.
No. It's kind of like saying, excuse me, can you move out of the way a little? Here I come.
Yeah.
Yep.
Try to catch me, Mama.
We're not playing that tonight.
Why?
Because we just want you to practice on your bike tonight.
Am I gonna keep my bounce bike?
I mean, we'll keep it for a little while, but I don't think you'll hardly use it anymore, will you? Mm-mm.
Just this one.
Right. You're too big for that one now. The balance bike, I mean.
The bounce bike. The bounce bike.
You're too big for it.
Yeah, I'm too big for it. I'm gonna break the bounce bike. I'm gonna break the bounce bike.
You're gonna break it because you're too big?
Yeah, because I'm too big.
We'll just save it for another little boy or girl who's smaller.
Who's sweet?
Yeah, 3-year-old. There, you